The topic of today's video is how to save subtitles in Davinci Resolve. Now, I wasn't really sure what was actually being asked with this question, so I did a sort of a double whammy here. So you'll see I have made a random subtitle track with random subtitles, and I've customized them a little bit so that we can have a preset, so I can show you how to save your subtitle presets. So first thing that we want to do is head over to the three little dots in the right hand corner, and then we're going to go save track as preset, and then we can name it and then press OK. So now when you need to open that, back to the three dots, and there it is, and you can just click on that. Now you can choose to either load the preset, but what I actually want to show you is how to export the preset. So again, over here, and then we just want to go to export preset, and then name it whatever you want, and then save it somewhere you can remember, so you can drag and drop these into your projects at will. It's much safer this way. Davinci can be weird with presets and not load them up. Could just be a me problem though. And then when you want them again, you can just three dots import preset. Okay, so the next thing that I figured could be what's being asked is when you want to export your full project with subtitles. So in Deliver, we'll scroll all the way down and you'll see subtitle settings. And then click on export subtitle. So now you just need to choose if you want to export it as a separate file or as embedded captions or burnt into the actual video. And then all you need to do, add it to render and render your full project. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.